deliverables, projects, reports, even presentations. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a digital creator, deliverables are part of life. But here's the truth. It's not about how busy you are. It's about how smart you deliver. Hi, this is Carlos, and today I'll show you how to take control of your deliverables so they no longer control you. This is how winners work. Let's go. Before you even open your laptop, ask this. What exactly is the deliverable today? Is it a video, a report, a presentation? Who is it for? What does done look like? Clarity is power. When you know what you're aiming for, distractions disappear. Big tasks feel heavy. That's why I break every deliverable into phases. Like doing a project, first I plan, I set a cleared objectives and resources needed, and then I draft, create the first version focusing on core content. And then I review, gather feedback, and refine for quality assurance, and then deliver, submit the polished final product on time. Pro tip, use the 2-hour rule. Work in focus 2-hour burst with zero distractions. Your output will explode. Most people wait for the deadline to push them, but champions use the deadline to pull them forward. I set internal checkpoints. Example, research done by Monday, complete foundational work by Monday, and then finish the initial draft by Wednesday, first draft by Wednesday, final polish by Friday. Why? Because I don't chase deadlines. I beat them. If you're working in a team or reporting to your boss, don't leave them guessing. You need to communicate early, and also you need to communicate clearly. Like, here's where I'm at. Here's what I need. Here's when it's done. Remember, respect is earned through reliability. If it's late, it's on you. If it's rushed, it's on you. And if it is excellent, you earn the credit. Great work doesn't just happen. It's delivered on time, on point, and with pride. That's how professionals move. Look, deliverables don't define your stress level. You do. Start early, plan smart, execute relentlessly, and when the world sees what you've delivered, they'll know one thing. You don't just do work, you deliver results. Like this vlog, hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world strategies, and comment below. What's your biggest challenge with deadlines? Let's talk. This is Carlos Camar, and thank you for watching my vlog. Have a great day.